Great morning everyone. Ninth class student, we were discussing chapter number 6, that is tissue. Till now we have discussed about the animal tissue, epithelial tissue and connective tissue. Next we are going to discuss today is the muscular tissue. Muscular tissue. The cells of the muscular tissue are elongated and this muscular tissue is responsible for the movement inside our body. We are moving. See, when we are inhaling the air, our chest moves out. बाहर की ओर आ जाती है हमारी chest. Why our chest moves out? Because of the muscular tissue. These tissue help in the movement of our body. So, muscular tissue contain special protein. Special protein is present between the muscular tissue that is responsible for the movement, that is contractile protein. Contractile protein. This protein, contractile protein, this protein present in our muscles which help in the contraction and relaxation of our muscles. Muscles हमारी क्या कर रही हैं? Contract कर रही हैं और relax कर रही हैं because of the presence of this special protein that is contractile protein. और इसी कॉन्ट्रैक्शन और रिलैक्सेशन की वजह से हमारी बॉडी में मूवमेंट हो रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई मस्कुलर टिश्यू हेल्प इन द मूवमेंट ऑफ आवर बॉडी. नाउ थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ मस्कुलर टिश्यू आर, वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ मस्कुलर टिश्यू. Smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are also known as involuntary muscles. These are the muscles which do not work according to our will. जो हमारी इच्छा अनुसार काम नहीं करती, that is involuntary muscles. उसे smooth muscles भी बोलते हैं. These are the smooth muscles. Like ureters. ये smooth muscles कहाँ present है? Ureters. Ureters are the tube which carry the urine to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder तक ये urine को pass करती है. These are the tube-like structure. So they are working their own, not by our wish. हमारे will के according ये काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. They are working by their own. So these type of muscles are known as smooth muscles. The lungs are working. The alveoli cells in the lungs are exchanging the material, exchanging the oxygen and carbon dioxide by their own. We are not doing that work. So these type of work is not done by our will. So in that type of organs, smooth muscles are present, and these are long, spindle shaped and have nucleus also. The cells of the smooth muscle have nucleus. They are long and spindle shaped. Next, last one is the cardiac muscles. The cells of the cardiac muscle are cylindrical, branched and uninucleate. The cells of these muscles are branched and uninucleate. Cardiac muscles हमारे heart में present होती हैं. Cardiac muscles are present inside our heart and help in the contraction and relaxation of the heart. Heart की contraction और relax करने में help कर रही है, so that our heart beat, हमारा heart क्या कर रहा है? Beat कर रहा है and doing its function efficiently with the help of this contractile, with the help of this cardiac muscle, with the help of these cardiac muscles. Further we will continue our topic in next video. Thank you.
Last topic of this chapter is the nervous tissue. Nervous tissue. The cells of the nervous tissue consist of nerve cell और न्यूरॉन्स भी बोलते हैं इसको. जो नर्वस सिस्टम है ह्यूमन बॉडी में वो नर्व सेल्स का बना है या न्यूरॉन्स का बना है. दिस इज द डायग्राम ऑफ नर्व सेल. दिस इज द डायग्राम ऑफ नर्व सेल. नर्व सेल का डायग्राम है ये. और ये नर्व सेल कहाँ प्रेजेंट है? ब्रेन में प्रेजेंट है. ब्रेन में. लेट अस स्टडी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ न्यूरॉन. न्यूरॉन कंसिस्ट ऑफ सेंट्रल पार्ट कॉल्ड सेल बॉडी. Its central part is called cell body, and this central part consists of this nucleus. It is having one nucleus in the middle, and the branching are protruding from the cell body. These are called dendrite structure. Dendrite. Branching arises from the cell body are called dendrite. Dendrite बोलते हैं इसको. These dendrite recognize any the stimulus. हमारे आसपास सराउंडिंग में जो भी चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, कोई भी स्टिमुलाई है, दैट इज डिटेक्टेड बाय द डेंड्राइट. डेंड्राइट गिव द मैसेज टू द सेल बॉडी को मैसेज दे देगा एंड सेल बॉडी फर्दर सेंड द मैसेज टू द एक्सोन एंड एक्सोन गिव द मैसेज टू द एक्सोन टर्मिनल and then action will be taken by the body. Next, here is the term synapse. Synapse is the gap between the two neurons. Synapse यहाँ term use किया है, ये एक nerve cell का structure है. इसके साथ ही next nerve cell का structure start हो जाएगा. Next nerve cell having the cell body and from the cell body various dendrites are arising. So it is the point of connection between the dendrites and the axon terminal. Synapse is the gap between the two neurons. It is the gap between the two neurons. These nerve system, the nervous system of our body is functional combination of nerve एंड मसल टिश्यू के साथ अटैचमेंट में काम करता है ये. दैट इज़ द मोस्ट फंडामेंटल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द एनिमल. दिस कॉम्बिनेशन एनेबल द एनिमल्स टू मूव. इसकी वजह से ही हम मूव कर पाते हैं और पहचान पाते हैं कौन सी चीज़ राइट है या फिर रोंग है. मैसेज all the information is detected by our sense organ passes this message to the brain. Action will be taken by the brain cell and then response will be occurring inside our body. This is the working of nervous system. Thank you.